Come go now, big up. What the man name?
Eh?
What the man name?
What my name?
Yeah.
Jula my name, man. Juladan.
Juladan.
Yeah.
Where the man name forward from?
Eh?
Where the forward from?
Donga Bush.
Donga Bush.
Yeah. So they call it.
So they call it Donga Bush. Bad thing. Zed big up for yourself.
Yeah,
You hear that? About how deep the water is?
Can't tell you. Me can't tell you about it.
So they never try guard the base?
Yeah, we can take up dirt, but you know, we don't know deep, but deep. I don't got serious man them there. We need to reach on the sun. Right, flag. We just jump up there so safe.
It look like someone just take jump off and jump off. Because I hope someone wet it up.
Yeah. No, but
So we want to learn to swim?
don't have flag.
Oh, down the other one?
Yeah. I make you see my flag is can't see me. Better just two of me off.
Your brother does all that show you off?
Two of you off, yeah?
I can walk around that side there. Yeah man, we down a town. We down a town. Waterfront.
Yeah.
You understand? Walk with some of the big some of them. See them, yeah? Future star them, you know. Big them up. You see it? So right now we're up on Jamaica walk by, you see it? So here we are. Remember to like and subscribe, same speed. Leave a comment and big up the Bubinile them, you know what I think go there are going hold a vibe. Yeah, Jamaica walk by. Yeah man, you have all people down here fishing and thing there. Yeah man, it's a great vibe. It's actually a Sunday evening. Sunday evening meds in Jamaica, yeah, you see it? Yeah man. Yes, fire, big up. That's the Digicel building right there in the center of the camera. Wow, you said them here catch today?
Yes, man.
General make a catch, you know. Can I fish them, man? Can I expert?
Yeah, and snapper, and jack.
Oh, and jack.
The big one, a jack.
Why not a cup? Oh.
Well, in our cup there's a different types now. We have grunt and the shine one, the shine one.
So where you catch them? Why a bait? Or like gut and then thing they gut?
Yes, man, and swims.
And swims?
Swims, they ain't off the swims.
Oh.
Straight swims. But this a fish, you know.
Oh, see them fish, you just slice them up?
A fish belly.
Alright, so what the man name?
Well, my name Dumfrey, you know.
Dumfrey. Down a town forward from town?
No, out of here.
Oh, out of here. Oh, you just a whole a vibe?
Yeah, watch him, man.
Watch him, man.
But center. But me I do some work over here.
Oh, so you just a go and hold a vibe back on the Sunday?
Yes, man. So
yeah, man.
Tough stuff. He truck out the side, major.
Oh, same speed.
But I wrote a Scotia bank everywhere. Am I referring to short, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know I work, but not now the minute right now.
Oh, it's a screw you put on if it does, to keep it down there. Mad. Yeah, to carry it out. Wait. I don't know nothing about fishing, I never get to fishing. Ah, see it there? Can't go out there. Good fish line. I wonder if you can catch nothing on it. Make us see what I go on. And next general the crosser, so I go and do it same way, set speed. Yeah, man. Dinner. The temperature nice. My family in a car park look like him have a big old 16. Look like a catch. Something grab it. I don't know if you jog it up. Oh. Yeah, man. Still not loose now. Big up yourself, my general. Why, dip on it, man.
Yeah.
I wonder how your catch stay. Oh, what kind of fish this? What kind of fish this? Oh, jack. See there. Yes, I. Big up yourself. Oh, this look like kidney.
Yeah.
Oh, you can just slice it up and
Yeah, you know? I want to tell you so the boy them a bite it, you fuck the boy them strange to it. But the boy them just pick until them just name it off. I lucky if you catch that one, yeah.
And like it.
Yeah, I elder send me over here, see me?
Yes, sir, yes, sir. It's a nice little sport, you know, give a vibe, though.
Yeah, it's a thing I like from youth days, you see me?
And you know, sir, as big as me been never really get to try fishing yet. I always put it on my bucket list to try it, you know.
Glad all over reservoir, we go fish. I'll drop off on the reservoir to pussy clad. God no, brother.
God knows that.
Yeah, well, I don't know charges, a fun thing, it's natural, you see me?
Some of the time you see all the man them over up on this, I don't even know them reach over there. One ladder must. So then climb up. And skill.
Some of them can
Oh, but they can hold on pan. Yeah, man. Alright, me I go and pass through. Yeah, me general. Wait. Oh, one line today. Yeah. Don't even want to walk on the edge, you know. Name drop off.
Can't swim.
Can't swim, yes, but the equipment them wouldn't want to drop in there.
Yeah. All that equipment there cost 50,000.
I want to tell you something more than that, boy. A safari you jump off from. Where's a fish you down? Yes, a fish though. Yes, sir. Watch this clip, man.
Yeah.
Man.
I want to chip that on the top.
No, you know. So the man forward from down at town?
Yeah, man.
See it there.
Welcome to DJ Head.
It's a DJ Head. The man them a whole a vibe.
DJ Head.
I'm a DJ Head. Where you say, right? Me a DJ upon the name. You say, I can drop a song? He's in chest, you know?
King of the sea. See, King of the sea, come here.
Go far, man, then swim from, if you go right, if you go that there, sir.
A King of the sea, that.
Was that him?
Yeah. Better than the other way.
So I'm not there on the Jamaica team. You know, I'm going to try out feet, man. We say, alright? Alright, sir. Alright.
So we have got the church. Come in now.
Church, yeah, church, more.
No, so much spot down here? So much part of the church?
Yes, sir.
Oh, so don't have name, you know?
Yeah,
Don't have flag?
flag box, east,
Don't have church?
south, Look down the building.
The office center building.
Long time I don't find this box of chokes right now. Yo, come here.
Yesterday in church, you understand?
What do you want?
Oh, whoa. Right now, that's how we are looking over at the airport, you know. Sometimes I wonder why we not just build one bridge, go straight across there. And it's just the right, that's all.
Fly, man.
Let's go up at Devon outside. Alright, see you then. See, y'all look food and you still a game juice. You see, Jamaica the best. Big up yourself. You hear that? See, man still a look out for you. And them a look for him dinner. Fit. Yeah, over there so pretty. They want to clean out.
Yeah, you have to look better what we did it first. See, look now, man, I get something there.
Calling the king of the sea.
Get a better view, man. Ah, that's a good way. Come in, yeah. Spin.
So where that do?
From water. No.
So when they do that, wait though?
Too much dirty water, we have to take it.
Oh, so you just flag it way. Yeah, man. Ready, man. Yeah, man. Waterfront with it. You see it? Come give me a quick shout out and a big up. Where the man forward from? Where the man forward from? Can enough people look for you now?
Yeah. And that garden I come from.
Arnett Garden. See it there? What the man name?
Kevin Cespedes, remember that?
Oh,
Can at me.
Skirt. Yeah.
297-3859. Remember that. Watch this.
King of the sea. Yeah. Watch this.
Yeah, but it's a great vibe. Without here, you don't know waterfront vibe. You see me? Big up every time. You see it? Big up all I massive from Arnett Garden. You don't know. Big up the big swimmer. Every time. You see it? The man fit. Fit. Remember to like and leave a comment. You see it? Bust a share. You don't know, big up the youths, them CM Speed. You see me, it's a blessed Sunday evening. We're there. You don't know over Glorias. I go on with a bunch of things.
If you learn to jump now in the dark, be able to learn to.
Mad shit. It's a great vibe, it's a great vibe. It's a great vibe. Yeah man, see it? Waterfront. I might do a video to show you the exact waterfront run, you know.
That boy do them boss. Like, you know when I show someone to hold like man.
Alright, you don't know, so with the waterfront, we just want to big up all massive for watching. You don't know, come to the end of another video. Big up all the massive yard and abroad. You see me? Waterfront. Remember, if you leave a comment, leave a like, you don't know, big up the youths them. All where you forward from again?
Arnett Garden.
Arnett Garden. Where you forward from? Tivoli. Where you come out from?
Donga Bush.
Donga Bush. So we have Arnett Garden, Tivoli and Donga Bush. Big up the youths them every time. So you don't know, leave a like, big them up, and always remember to subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. You see, Madam Bad Jamaica Walk By, we out.